Hey guys, welcome to Dazzling Handmade. Today we are doing a Aliexpress haul video. Alright, so in the first package we have stickers. I think these are gifts because I keep receiving it with almost every single order. So how about these going to the giveaway? Yes, I think so. Okay, let's see what we have here. I'm just gonna put it down here and then we can see how much stuff we got today. So there's no preview on the back for here, but it's usually 6 sheets. This is an Alice one, and then we have 6 sheets in the back. As usual, we'll take a closer look once I do the separate sticker videos. But first I wanna shoot the haul videos because there's a lot more still. Unicorns. This, I think I already have this. What I don't like in these is it's only 1 sheet. So once you use this, there's no more. This one is a London themed and it's gold. Little animals. Berries, strawberries and blueberries. Purple colored flowers. Looks like these are very good quality. Ooh, nice, some gardening stuff. Even have a pear on it. These ones, I really like putting these ones in the journals because as you can see it has no outline because it's on a clear stamp. This one is pictures printed on sticker. And then the last one for this package is an Aquarius themed stickers. And there was only 2 Pisces themed sticker. Everything else was just random stuff. Next package. Ooh, these are tiny. So this is gonna go into the background elements, mostly for Alice. Little vintage one. These ones are separate, so we got a map and or is it the clothes? The map for the clothes. Not even sure. Clocks, very good. A whole piece. And then this one is also a whole entire piece, right? Yes. Although I can cut it apart if I want to. That was the second small package. It looks like it's good details. I hope it's gonna stamp well too. Alright, next package is pretty big. Okay, so it's not that big. It just has extra packaging in it. I mean, it is big. There's a lot of stuff in here. But there's extra foam in it to protect it. That's it. Okay. Alright, starting with this one. These are kings. And then sloth. Christmas sloth. Very cute. Very good lines. I think it will be very good quality too. It looks like a lot of room to color. Now we have this. This is adorable. For Christmas. And then we also have this for Christmas. Very good details. Journaling mostly. This is background. I like to do these with a lighter color. And then we have these just little background elements, creepy background elements for like grunge and steampunk. This is a heart background. One whole piece. This is a very journal themed. And then little mouses. You know, sometimes the seller is out of stock. Ooh, I think this is a duplicate. Sometimes the seller is out of stock of something I ordered, so they send something else instead. That's why I'm often looking at the stamps and it doesn't look familiar, or it doesn't look good at all, and I constantly have to ask myself, did I really order that? It's so ugly. This one is so adorable, so much room to color, and oh, look at this, so nice, and it's so big, perfect for a card. Lots of room to color, good details, also Christmassy, like this. Yes, have a cozy holiday. Very good. I'm actually kind of excited for winter, but summer did go by very, very fast. Maybe too fast. These are beautiful. And the little doggos. So cute. Nice. Background elements. Knots. Window. If you have not entered the open giveaway, make sure you go and do so. I got a lot of good stuff to send out. And I'm trying to do 1 or 2 every week. Drinks. These are holiday drinks. So if you look at the cocktails, they are Christmas drinks. Mistletoe is a lot of wine. Mistletoe and a lot of wine. Sentiments are too small. I don't like it. It's too small. It's not even like the size of a nail. Who's gonna read that? Eat, drink, and be merry. Okay, you don't need to tell me twice. Nice. Ooh, oh, look. Oh, I love this. I ordered this a very, very long time ago, and I thought it just never came, or I missed it. This, I think it's so cute. I think about like putting it on the colors paper and then onto the journal. That is very exciting. Gotta put that separately to make sure I don't lose it. The last ones we got candles, and then this background piece. Oh wait, no, I have 2 more. Sorry. And just quickly, ta-da! So the last 2, I cannot believe they sent me one in a brown package, but that's really nice. And yes, that is actually from Aliexpress. So I got lamps here, and these are another Christmas themed stamp. It looks really good quality. A room to color. That's cake. Kind of hungry. Yeah, definitely gonna be baking more treats this holiday season. Oh, actually, that's a really good idea for one of the giveaway questions. Okay, that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one, or talk to you in the comments.